Welcome back, Dr. Sirhan. This is my last video. So this last video is just going to be a run through of the interactive story so that you can see the technology that I'm using for this activity that I'm submitting for the TPACK analysis. So here we go. I'm sorry about it.
The Wishing Tree by Rachel Dawson.
Do I see?
It was a warm, quiet, sunny day in the wood until from up in a tree came a terrible chattering. Who's making all the noise? Click on the tree to see. Where did I put that lampshade? Said Count Hoot to himself. He had moved into his new home that morning and was unpacking. Click on the box to help the Count unpack. Click again. Click again. Click again. Down on the ground, Puzzle Snuff was feeling hot. I wish I had something to keep me cool, she sighed. Click on the lampshade to see what happens next. A sun hat, said Puzzle Snuff. Lucky me! I found a wishing tree. I must tell Foxy. Up in the tree, Count Hoot was looking for his lampshade. Now where's it gone? He said crossly. What a muddle! I do wish I had some help. Can you help? Click on a cup to match this saucer. Click on a cup to match this saucer. Click on a cup to match this saucer. Down on the ground, Puzzle Snuff had come back with Foxy. It doesn't look like a wishing tree, said Foxy. It is, said Puzzle Snuff. Go on, wish for something. Said Foxy, thinking. What shall I wish for? What is Foxy thinking? Click on her to find out. A giant milkshake. Some new dancing shoes. A big red sports car. I wish, said Foxy, for some new dancing shoes. Nothing happened. See, said Foxy, it's not a wishing tree. Then a big pair of clumpy boots landed beside her. See, said Puzzle Snuff, it is a wishing tree. But what kind of dance are these for? Said Foxy. What is Foxy thinking now? Click on her to find out. A Scottish dance. A Spanish dance. A Hawaiian dance. Perhaps they're for a new kind of dance, said Puzzle Snuff. Click on Foxy to see her dance. Up in the tree, Count Hoot wasn't enjoying Foxy's dance. What's happening to Count Hoot? Click on the tree to see. Oops! Oh dear, said Count Hoot. Count Hoot's top and hat landed beside Puzzle Snuff. Wow, she said. Music! Click on Puzzle Snuff to see her play. Up in the tree, Count Hoot wasn't enjoying Puzzle Snuff's music. I wish it would stop, he moaned. Make the Count's wish come true. Click on the tree. Count Hoot, said Foxy. It's you. Oh, said Puzzle Snuff. This isn't a wishing tree at all. No, said Count Hoot. It's my new home, and it's in an awful mess. Click on the sofa to see what happens next. Foxy and Puzzle Snuff soon put everything in its place. This is splendid, said Count Hoot. I wished for help. And here we are, laughed Foxy. Perhaps it is a wishing tree after all, said Puzzle Snuff. What do you think? Click on the tree.
Alright, thank you for watching.